This is how you sniper a eBay bid. I was high bidder for 3 or 4 days until today. It ended today. Someone outbid me this morning. And someone just bid on it now again because it's about to close in 37 seconds. So the price now is $12.50. I don't really want it that bad. If I wanted, I'd put like $100 down here. But I'll pay $23. So there's my bid, $23. And at the last second, I hit increase bid. And then that doesn't give anyone else the second thought of saying, oh, maybe I do want it, and they'll come back and hit it again. I don't give them that chance to think about it. I probably won't get it because it'll probably go for more than 23, but here we go. We're hashing it out right now. Let's see who got that last bid in. Oh, it's taking us long to refresh. It's still refreshing. Huh. This is the coin. Yep, I want it. See how much I got it for. 23. Wow. So someone kept trying to outbid me, but I got it for the 23. Shit, I didn't really want to pay that much for it, but I'll take it. It's an unactivated geocoin. That's the front of it. And here's the back of it. Addicted to geocaching. It's unactivated, but this is the one I really want right here. This one I'm buying for Kai. Size matters. It's a K9 one. Again, unactivated. Ends in 28 minutes. I'm high bidder right now at $8.50. This is the back of it. And I guess the front of it. So I'll take this and log it all the way back to her very first cache the day I picked her up in Springfield, and log it into every cache she's been to with me since then, once I get it and activate it. And this one I will get, because I'll put $40 on this one when I increase my bid, and I know nobody's going to pay more than that for it. Isn't that cute? It almost looks like her. So I'll let you know how this one goes here in half an hour.